Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2026. What's going on today from forexfactory.com? There you can see that we had at 8:15, we had the ADP weekly employment change, which came in at 35.8K versus previous of 40,800. That being said, there's no estimate or forecast on this, but it is a number that's going down, and that's not good. 10 a.m., we have Richmond Manufacturing Index, which will give us an idea of what's going on in the southern states. At 3:55 p.m., we have FOMC member Cook speaking. At 4:30, we have the API weekly statistical bulletin, and at 8 p.m. we have FOMC member Jefferson speaking, and that is it for scheduled news as we know it as of right this moment. However, we will have Trump tweets as well as information coming out of Iran about the Iranian situation. Since we're not calling it a war, we're calling it a situation, whatever you want to call it. We will be interrupted during the day with those types of tweets and information, so be aware and be careful. It is a high volatility situation. Looking at daily chart, you can see we had a down day yesterday. We are slightly gapping up. Again, inside day. Not a major thing to talk about. Big thing here, look at the volume, man. The volume is horrendous. Absolutely terrible volume. So, again, the big volume is on the down days. The up days are getting very little volume. So a little bit skewed, still above the moving average and trend lines. So very bullish pattern. That being said, certainly looks like we could be topping out. Above here, obviously, is nosebleed. There's nothing up there, so no resistance. Below that, we have some support. I would say the best support is about 74.55 from a bigger perspective, bigger picture. Taking a look at the inventory. Inventory was very positive on down action. Divergence. Anytime we see divergence where price does not go in the same direction as inventory, we are worried about that. This makes it look like there are people buying the dip, or at least buying into this down day, which certainly could be. It is sort of weird to see that happen on a down day, to see positive inventory, but that's what's happening. So the buy the dip folks are in full force. Moving on, looking at the overnight action. A little bit wild here towards the last 30 minutes or so. Total movement here is 41 points. That's twice above average. Still high volatility situation. Again, above here, all nosebleed. Absolutely guesstimations. We use Fibonacci extension as well as market geometry to project where a level could be. 75.66, 75.95, 7,600. Of course, a whole number will be part of it, but all guesswork on the top side. On the bottom side, we've got volume and previous activity. So where is that? We've got some area here, 75, I'm gonna call that 75.30, 75.17, 75.07, 7,500, big number, big round number. Break below that, 74.84, 74.70 has some confluence, 74.57, the whole number, 74.50. So there are your numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 61.9% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Traders Almanac, which is a historical guesstimation of what will happen tomorrow or today. And that's all I've got for you. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like. See ya tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.